Today we're going to tackle a common culprit that often sabotages our best intentions: procrastination. You know that habit of putting things off until the last minute? Even when we know it's not good for us. But what really keeps on going beneath the surface? Let's examine the underlying factors that fuel procrastination. What fuels procrastination? Procrastination isn't simply a matter of laziness or disorganization. It's often a symptom of deeper emotional and psychological issues. Let's just take a closer look at three of the most common culprits. Firstly, fear of failure is a common culprit for procrastination. Sometimes we just avoid tasks because we are afraid of not measuring up. We worry about making mistakes or facing criticism. This fear can be paralyzing, preventing us from even starting for the action. Secondly, the perfectionism can also be a driving force behind procrastination. We believe that if we can't do something flawlessly, it's not worth doing at all. This all or nothing thinking can lead to endless delays and missed opportunities. Thirdly, feeling overwhelmed can contribute to procrastination. When faced with a large task or an endless list of things to do, it's easy to feel overwhelmed and discouraged. This feeling can lead us to avoid the task altogether, hoping it will vanish. The procrastination cycle, a downward spiral. Procrastination often creates a self-defeating cycle. We put something off, feeling a brief sense of relief. But as the deadline approaches, stress and anxiety starts to build. This increases our urge to avoid the task, leading to more procrastination. It's a trap that can leave us feeling helpless and defeated. Breaking free from procrastination. You know what's the good news? We can escape the cycle, and here are some strategies to overcome procrastination. Firstly, you have to utilize the just 5 minutes technique. When faced with a daunting task, commit to working on it for just 5 minutes. Often the hardest part is just getting started. Once you have taken that initial step, you may find it easier to continue. Another method is to create a procrastination playlist. Music can be a powerful motivator. Compile a playlist of upbeat, energizing songs that inspire you to take the action. When procrastination strikes, put on your playlist and let the music propel you forward. Thirdly, you can use the Power of Pomodoro Power Up. This time management technique involves working in focused 25 minutes bursts followed by the short breaks. This structured approach helps maintain focus, prevents the burnout, and make tasks feel more manageable. The fourth tip is that instead of rewarding yourself after completing a task, try rewarding yourself before you begin. This creates a positive association with the task and incentivizes you to get started. Moreover, you can partner with a friend or a colleague who also struggles with procrastination. Hold each other accountable, share the progress, and celebrate successes together. Lastly, adopt the worst first approach. Tackle the most dreaded task on your list first thing in the morning. This frees up mental energy for the rest of the day and eliminates the anxiety of having it coming over you. Understanding the procrastination. Understanding the root causes of procrastination can help you tailor your approach and develop the effective coping mechanisms. This self-awareness is key to not only overcoming the procrastination, but also strengthening your overall self-control. It's actually about recognizing your patterns, challenging the negative thoughts, and taking proactive steps to manage your time and emotions effectively.